Good morning. Hi, everybody are fine today? Yes, everybody are fine? Okay. Have you had your tiffin beta? Yes. What you had beta? Idli. What about you beta? Dosha. What about you beta? Puri. Yes. So everybody had nice tiffins, right? So your teacher had upma today. Okay children? Now today I am going to ask you few questions about yesterday's topic. So what we have learnt yesterday children? We have learnt about the things around us. So what you people give me the answer? What you tell me beta, what answer did you give me? Yes, you have seen the pets. You have seen the chairs. You have seen the plants. You have seen some animals going around, right? So, with what did you all see children? With the help of eyes. Yes or no? Now, children, I am going to introduce about parts of a different parts of a
Types of
different types of plants. Okay children? Now children, the thing is that now look at this picture children. Now what you are going to see around you? There are so many plants and trees. Yes or no? Yes, you can see so many plants and trees around you. Now look here. This is the picture. Now when you look in this picture, see some plants are big, right? And small plants and some plants are small. So what are these known as? These all are known as which are looking green, right? So these all are green friends. What are these? These are green friends. So plants are our green friends. Okay children? Now look here children. Which tree is this? This is mango tree. This is mango tree. Now what will mango tree give you? It will give us fruit, mango fruit, right? Nowadays summer season no children, now wherever you see you will get mango fruit. So what will mango tree gives us? It gives us mango. Now look here children, which tree is this? Can you recognize? Which tree is this? This is coconut tree. So what coconut tree will give us? It will give us coconut. So nowadays summer now children, you all are having tender coconut everybody? Yes, it's very good for health. So what is this children? Which picture is this? This is coconut tree. Now which picture is this children? This is banyan tree. What will we do with the banyan tree? It provides us shade. If we sit under the tree, it will be very cool and nice cool breeze also comes. So this is banyan tree. It gives us shade, right children? So now look here children. What are these known as children? These are trees. Now you see the size and shapes are also totally different. As saw children, see banyan tree is very big, right? And mango tree is also very big. And what about coconut tree? It is very tall. So plants are of different shapes and sizes. Okay children? Got it? Yes. Now look here children. Can you see some plants here? Yes, these plants are very small. Can you see? Are they small? Yes, they are very small. So small plants with woody stems are known as shrubs. Okay? Small plants with woody stems are known as shrubs. Okay? Now look here. Which plant is this? Tulasi. Tulasi plant. Are you people having tulasi plant in your home? Yes. So what your mother will do early in the morning? She'll do puja, right? She will pray to Tulasi God, right? Yes or no? You have seen the Tulasi tree? Is it there in your home? Yes, it is there in your home. Tulasi leaf is is also very good for our health. Suppose if we eat tulsi leaf, what will happen? What will happen, children? It will save you from cough, cold, right? Yes, this is tulsi plant. Now everybody like this plant, right, children? Which plant is this? This is rose. Rose plant. What will rose plant give us? It gives us so many roses, right? So what we do with roses? We decorate our house. Yes or no? We give bouquets to our friends on their birthdays. Right, children? Yes or no? So everybody like rose? Yeah, we offer to God also, right? Now which tree is this, children? This is hibiscus. Hibiscus plant. Okay, this is also used for decoration and to offer God. Okay, children. So now will you please repeat after me? Tell me. Tulsi, rose plant, hibiscus. Okay, children. Now look here, children. Again, teacher is showing you some plants. Are you seeing it? Yes. Now what are these, children? Small plants having soft stem is called herbs. Okay. Now children, small plants having soft stem are called herbs. Okay. Now see children, which plant is this? Tomato. Tomato is a very small plant. See, in this small plant also beautiful tomatoes are coming out, right? So very beautiful tomatoes are coming out, right? So you like tomato curry, children? Yes. Mama will prepare tomato pickle for you people. You all like that tomato pickle? Yes, it will be very yummy, right? Yeah. And look here, children. Yeah. Which plant is this? Can you identify? No. So look, children. Which plant is this? This is mint. What will mint plant give us? It gives us mint. Okay. Mint is also used for pickle. So mama in biryani also when she cook, right? Yes, this is mint. Mint is also very good for health. It will make the food to digest. Yeah. And what is this, children? This is paddy. You know what do you mean by paddy? No. Right? Paddy means rice. The food what we eat is rice. Okay. So these all plants are very soft stem they will be having. That's the reason they are called as herbs. Okay, children. Now look here, children. Can you identify? Can you identify this? Which flowers are these? Now look here, children. This is water lily. So water lily. What is this, children? This is lotus. Where will these plants grow? These plants grow in water. Where do these plants grow, children? These plants grow in water. Okay, children, this will grow only in water. Okay. Now, children, plants are so very useful. Children, can we learn the uses of plants? Yes, can we learn the uses of plants, children? Yes, look here, children. See, plants are very useful to us. Look, children, what they give us? They give us so many things. They give us food, right? Like fruits and vegetables. The clothes that we wear, right? The cots, bed, your bed, in which you sleep, right? That is all made of plants. The chairs are also made of plants. We get wood from the plants. So, plants are very useful to us. They are very, very useful. They give us food and shelter to us. Yes or no, children? Will they give shelter for us? Yes, they give us shelter and food for us. Now, children, can we cut the trees and plants? Can we cut the trees? No, we cannot cut the trees. Suppose if we cut the trees, what will happen? It will look very odd. If plants and trees are there only, the world is very beautiful, right? So we should keep our earth green and clean. We must take care of plants and trees. Right? How will you take care of the plants and trees? By pouring water and putting the fertilizer on the trees. So everybody like this topic, children? Everybody came to know. So how many types of trees are there? There are 3 types of trees. One is tree. One is plants. Then one is shrubs and one is herbs. So how many? There are 4 types. Okay, children, how many types there are? There are 4 types of trees. Okay, got it, children? Come on, will you tell me the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O, mango. Coconut? C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Shrubs? S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Herbs? H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Now repeat after me, children. M-A-N-G-O, mango. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. So tomorrow I am going to ask you the spelling of today's topic. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.